Stop. It's going to stop right now because I'm afraid of cameras. Try to scare me, I dare ya. See, now it's going to stop because you're videotaping me. Thanks. That's a new trick. Yep. It worked. Stop. The light screen, just kidding.
I did it.
Yeah. Really? It really worked?
Yeah.